Hello friends, today I will talk about propositions. Les prépositions. What are propositions? Propositions are invariable words, that is, words which never change, which establish a relationship between two words. All of them are generally followed by a noun or a stressed pronoun, or some can be followed by a verb. There are simple prepositions consisting of one word only. I'll give you list of simple prepositions with their English meaning and examples. Se pakti, a, in, to, at. She is in Paris. Elle est à Paris. I speak to Annie. Je parle à Annie. She is at the school. Elle est à l'école. Après, after. I will eat after my class. Je mangerai après mon cours. Avant, before. Would you like to eat dinner before the performance? Voulez-vous dîner avant la représentation? Avec, with. I go out with my friend. Je sors avec mon ami. Chez, at, to the home of, at the place of. I was at my friend's house. J'étais chez mon ami. Contre, against. He is against the death penalty. Il est contre la peine de mort. Dans, in. The flowers in the vase. Les fleurs dans la vase. The, from, of, about. He comes from London. Il vient de Londres. He had the support of his family to help him. Il avait le soutien de sa famille pour l'aider. She talked about the dress. Elle parle de la robe. Depuis, since plus time point, for plus time period. She has been working in this office for 10 years. Elle travaille dans le bureau depuis 10 ans. Derrière, behind. There is a big school behind my house. Il y a une grande école derrière ma maison. There, from on, as early as starting. From now on, I am going to read a book per week. Dès maintenant, je vais lire un livre par semaine. Devant, in front of. Somebody parked a car in front of my house. Quelqu'un a garé une voiture devant ma maison. En, in. He is in Europe. Il est en Europe. Entre, between. This is secret between you and me. C'est la secret entre vous et moi. Envers, towards. We should be kind towards animals. Nous devrions être gentils envers les animaux. Or, out of. The elevator is out of order. L'ascenseur est hors service. Jusqu'à. Until. We played chess until midnight. Nous avons joué au échec jusqu'à minuit. Malgré, in spite of. He got the job in spite of his prison record. Il obtenu le poste malgré son casier judiciaire. Par, by. Candide is written by Voltaire. Candide est écrite par Voltaire. Parmi, among. Divide these apples among 30 children. Répartir ces pommes parmi 30 enfants. Pendant, during. They suffered a lot during the war. Ils ont beaucoup souffert pendant la guerre. Pour, for. I have a gift for you. J'ai un cadeau pour vous. Sans, without. He left without saying goodbye. Il est parti sans dire au revoir. Sauf, except. Everybody attended the marriage except my friend. Tout le monde assistait au mariage sauf mon ami. Selon, according to. According to her, that is the best solution. Selon elle, c'est la meilleure solution. So, under. The dog is under the table. Le chien est sous la table. Sur. On. I am counting on you. Je compte sur toi. Vers. Towards. At about plus clock time. Come back at about 8 o'clock. Revenez vers 8 hours. Kindly note the preposition a and the contract with the definite article in the following way. A plus la, ou. A plus le, o. The plus le, du. The plus le, they. Prepositions are very important part of learning French. If you understand them, you will be able to understand the language well. These are simple preposition. In my next video, I will teach you compound preposition. Till enjoy learning French. Au revoir, merci. Bye bye friends. Take care.